Hey there, today I will be showing you how to install Blender 2.83 on Linux. Blender 2.83 was released 4 days ago and it is the latest version of Blender with amazing new features. So to begin downloading, go to the blender.org/download page, which will be given in the description below, and click on the big blue button to download Blender 2.83. It will ask you to save the file, so make sure save file is selected and click on OK. I will be saving it in my downloads folder. Once it has downloaded, click on Open Containing Folder. And since this is a zip file, we will have to extract it. So double click it. And then drag out the Blender folder to extract it. Once it is done extracting, you can delete the zip file. And if you open up the Blender folder, you will see that there's a readme.html file. If you scroll down, there are steps to install it on Linux. It says to unpack the archive, which we already did, and then run the Blender executable. So to run the executable, you need to select the Blender application and make sure that the Allow Executing File as Program is selected under the Permissions tab. Now if you double click it, it should open up Blender. And as you can see, we have Blender running. You can create a new file and start messing around with 3D modeling. That is it for today. Thank you for watching.